Have you ever thought what's really in the water you drink daily? Discover how to unlock the purest, most refreshing water you've ever tasted right from your home. Let's explore how making water pure. At home through distillation is a cool way to combine searching for purity with new ideas. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Clean Hydration. Today in this video we will be talking about home water distillation and its process. Clean drinking water is not just a necessity, it's the cornerstone of our health, integral to every aspect of our well-being. Yet the water that flows from our taps, while seemingly clear, carries with it a silent orchestra of unseen contaminants, chemicals, heavy metals, and bacteria, to name a few. In an era where purity is paramount, how do we ensure that the water we drink is as pristine as nature intended? Enter the realm of water distillation, a method as ancient as it is effective, refined through modern technology to serve as your guardian of water purity. This guide embarks on a journey to explore the art and science of home water distillation, revealing how you can unlock the purest form of water right in your kitchen. The science of water distillation. Water distillation is an enchanting process, a dance of elements that purifies water by tapping into the fundamental principles of evaporation and condensation. At its heart, distillation involves heating water to its boiling point, causing it to vaporize. This vapor, now freed from the clutches of contaminants that cannot evaporate, travels to a cooler region where it transforms back into liquid form. Distilled water. But what of the impurities? They're left behind, outcast in the boiling chamber, as the distilled water emerges pure and untouched. This method is singular in its ability to remove a broad spectrum of contaminants from volatile chemicals to stubborn minerals, offering a clarity that other purification methods can only aspire to. Why distill your water at home? Opting for home water distillation is a declaration of independence from reliance on external water sources and a step towards self-sufficiency in ensuring water purity. The benefits are manifold. Distilled water is free from harmful contaminants and pathogens, making it one of the purest forms of water available. This purity translates not just to safety but to an unparalleled taste and quality of water. Furthermore, distilling water at home allows you to control the purity of your water and provides peace of mind knowing exactly what you're drinking. Compared to other methods like filtration and reverse osmosis, distillation stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness, particularly in its ability to remove a wider range of impurities. Setting up your home distillation system. The journey to obtaining distilled water at home begins with choosing the right distillation system. There are several types available, ranging from simple countertop models to more complex systems that can be integrated into your home's water supply. Countertop models are the most popular due to their affordability and ease of use. They typically involve filling a chamber with water, which the system then heats to produce vapor. This vapor condenses into distilled water, collected in a separate container. Step-by-step guide. Select your distiller. Research and choose a distillation system that fits your needs and budget. Consider the amount of distilled water you require daily. Installation. For countertop models, place the distiller on a stable, heat-resistant surface near a power source. For larger, more complex systems, professional installation may be required. Operation. Fill the distillation chamber with tap water, switch on the unit, and wait for the process to complete. This could take several hours depending on the model and volume of water. Maintenance. Regular cleaning is crucial to prevent scale and mineral buildup inside the distiller. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and maintenance. Tips for maintenance. Use vinegar or a descaling agent to clean the boiling chamber. Replace filters or parts as recommended by the manufacturer to ensure efficiency and longevity. Monitor the distillation process periodically to prevent overheating and to maintain performance. DIY water distillation, a step-by-step guide. For the enthusiast who enjoys a project, building a home water distillation system is a rewarding endeavor. Here's how you can distill water using items commonly found at home. Gather materials. You'll need a large stainless steel pot, a glass bowl that floats, a pot lid, preferably, convex or a glass lid, ice, and a heat source. Assembly. Place the glass bowl in the center of the pot, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom. Fill the pot with water just below the bowl's rim. Place the lid upside down on the pot so the handle points downward, creating a gentle slope. Distillation process. Bring the water to a gentle boil. Place ice on the lid to accelerate condensation. Steam will rise, condense on the cool lid, and then drip into the bowl, resulting in distilled water. Collection. Once enough water has been collected, turn off the heat and carefully remove the bowl of distilled water. Safety precautions. Ensure the setup is stable and monitored to prevent spills or burns. Use oven mitts or pot holders when handling hot equipment. Keep the setup out of reach of children and pets during operation. Maximizing the benefits of distilled water. Storing and handling distilled water correctly is crucial to maintaining its purity. Use clean, airtight containers to store distilled water and keep them in a cool, dark place. Besides drinking, distilled water has various uses, including in appliances such as irons and humidifiers, in automotive cooling systems, and for watering sensitive plants. Its lack of minerals prevents scale buildup, extending the lifespan of appliances. Challenges and solutions in home water distillation. While distillation is highly effective, it comes with challenges such as energy consumption, time, investment, and the removal of beneficial minerals. To mitigate these, consider using energy-efficient distillers, planning distillation during off-peak hours, and supplementing your diet with minerals if relying heavily on distilled water for drinking. Challenge 1. High energy consumption. The distillation process is inherently energy-intensive, requiring substantial heat to transition water from liquid to vapor and back again. This can lead to increased electricity bills and a larger carbon footprint, which might be concerning for environmentally conscious individuals. Solution. The key to mitigating this issue lies in the adoption of energy-efficient distillation units, designed to use less electricity. Additionally, the advent of solar-powered distillation systems presents a sustainable alternative, leveraging the abundant power of the sun to purify water. These solutions not only minimize operational costs but also significantly reduce the environmental impact of home water distillation. Challenge 2. Time investment. Distilling water is a meticulous process that cannot be rushed. Producing a sufficient quantity of distilled water to meet daily needs requires patience, as the process is slower compared to other purification methods. Solution. Strategic planning can alleviate the burden of time. By distilling water in larger batches, you can ensure a constant supply is always on hand. Modern automatic distillers, capable of operating with minimal supervision, can run overnight, readying a fresh supply of distilled water by morning, marrying convenience with efficiency. Challenge 3. Mineral loss. One of the hallmarks of distilled water is its remarkable purity. However, this comes at the cost of removing naturally occurring minerals found in water, which are beneficial to health. Solution. To counteract this, integrating mineral-rich foods into your diet or adding a controlled quantity of Himalayan salt to distilled water can replenish essential minerals. This approach allows you to enjoy the health benefits of distilled water without compromising on necessary dietary minerals. Challenge 4. Adjusting to taste preferences. The unique taste of distilled water, which some describe as flat or bland due to the absence of minerals, can be jarring for those accustomed to mineralized water. Solution. A simple yet effective way to enhance the flavor of distilled water is by adding a few drops of lemon or lime juice. This not only improves the taste but also adds a refreshing zest, making distilled water more appealing and enjoyable. By addressing these challenges with thoughtful and practical solutions, the path to adopting home water distillation becomes smoother and more rewarding. The pursuit of distilled water, with its unmatched purity and taste, becomes not just a goal but a sustainable lifestyle choice for those committed to their health and the environment. Water in its purest form is indeed the elixir of life, a vital resource that sustains, nurtures, and refreshes. In the quest for this purity, the process of distillation stands as a lighthouse, guiding us to the shores of safety and clarity. This guide has led you through the intricate dance of converting ordinary tap water into its most pristine state, employing both modern technology and the timeless wisdom of DIY ingenuity. The journey to secure the purest form of drinking water is a noble venture, achievable with the knowledge and tools shared herein. Using a home water distiller is more than just cleaning your water. It means you're choosing to live healthier, rely more on yourself, and help the earth by using fewer plastic bottles. When you start doing this, think of every drop of clean water as a symbol of your promise to live a pure and good life. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new, informative video. Thanks for tuning in.